The desert sun is barely up, and the horizon is split by a sound that could wake the mountains, a deep guttural roar followed by a rush of torque that sends dust flying. This isn't just another pickup. This is the 2026 Ram 1500, reborn with more muscle, more refinement, and a sharper edge than ever before. It's bold, it's confident, and it knows exactly what kind of statement it's making when it rolls up. From the moment you see it, you know Ram's playing for keeps. The front end has been completely re-sculpted. Wider stance, sleeker LED lighting, and a grille that looks like it could inhale the road. Every line feels intentional, from the aerodynamic hood vents to the strong, chiseled shoulders that remind you this truck wasn't designed just for looks. It's built to move mountains. Step inside, and it's a different world. The 2026 Ram 1500 is less work truck, more luxury command center. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a massive center touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with the new Uconnect 6 system. There's wireless everything: CarPlay, Android Auto, charging pads, and even an available 23-speaker Klipsch audio system that turns the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. The seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging, and the attention to detail feels like something borrowed from a luxury SUV rather than a half-ton pickup. It's refinement without losing its rugged heart. But under the hood, that's where the real story begins. Gone is the HEMI V8, and in its place, the all-new 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six turbo engine steals the show. With up to 540 horsepower in the high-output variant, it doesn't just perform, it dominates. Acceleration is shockingly quick for a truck this size, pushing from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. The torque delivery is immediate, smooth, and relentless, while the new 8-speed automatic shifts like it's reading your mind. Handling feels sharper too, thanks to Ram's revised suspension and improved weight balance. It's powerful but also more composed, less brute force, more intelligent muscle. And perhaps most impressive of all, it manages better fuel efficiency than the old V8, hitting around 24 miles per gallon combined in real-world driving. The 2026 Ram 1500 starts around $42,000, but climb to the top trims, the Limited, the Tungsten, and you're stepping into a near $80,000 experience that blends brute strength with high-end craftsmanship. With towing capacity north of 11,000 pounds and tech features like a full digital gauge cluster, advanced driver aids, and over-the-air updates, this truck feels future-ready. As the sun sets and the dust settles, the 2026 Ram 1500 doesn't just look powerful. It feels inevitable. It's not trying to prove anything anymore. It just does. And if this is where Ram's future begins, then the rest of the industry has some serious catching up to do. Stay tuned, because what's coming next might just redefine what power really feels like.